As Nova everybody, welcome or welcome back to my channel, the best place for you. If you're a freshman, karibu, and if you're a senior, karibu tena. So this is what I'm having for dinner. In a slap, my dinner.
Yes, I really also love spending some time at home. It's so nice also at home there. So I'll be going the tuition. It is so sweet and you eat very fresh food from the garden. So today I want to answer some of the questions that have been asked as I leave you with
and Mali tumetoka where I'm from. Hatukuwa na such opportunities and so the reward is kutakuwa na 16
The next day.
The next day is Dash. Why you are friends?
Sima inapatia the whole day.
Tema alikuwa anapatia the whole day.
If you know, you know.
I love.
Yeah, supper. Having cabbage. I'm gonna prepare wedges. Yes, that's what I'm gonna have for dinner. Hii ni hizi vitu. I am preparing some cabbage. I've just fried it in oil and added salt. That's all. My cooking oil has solidified. It's melted. This is the progress. So I'm preparing wedges for dinner. My daughter wanted fries. She doesn't consider these as fries. You know. She says this is viazi, potatoes, it's not fries. So this is dinner. Moving on swiftly. I am so hungry, so hungry.
For this 24 bit now can combine. Now
connect these pipes so when you have excess rain.
Dinner is ready.
But the only thing that you have to do, you can create other huge villas to hold there, and this can be just part of the house. You can put a water pump inside there.
you can
Your job is just to
share,
squeeze up a
comment,
button, and
channel.
the water goes to the entire
Listen,
house.
share, comment, channel.
So that brings us to the end of this vlog. Kindly consider liking, subscribe, turn on the post notification
Subscribe
bell.
and channel and subscribe everyone. No, don't subscribe for
Okay.
everyone.
So subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so that you're notified anytime I upload a new video. And so guys, see you on my next one. I'm trying to vlog, I'm trying to upload on a daily basis. I don't know how I'll manage it, but I'm trying to at least put up a video every day, even shorts. So yeah, go check out on my shorts. I've started and I hope I won't quit. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. More of such content and even more. So see you on my next one, which is tomorrow.